Imagine unlocking extra storage space without tearing down a single wall. That is exactly what these clever Amazon finds are built to do. Every product helps you declutter, maximize every inch, and keep daily essentials right at your fingertips. Whether you are navigating tight apartment living or just craving a cleaner, more organized vibe, these practical solutions give your rooms a polished, spacious feel. You can find all the links in the description below. Let's dive right in. Opening the lineup with this laundry basket with lid. This smart laundry solution keeps dirty clothes completely out of sight with its convenient flip-top lid, instantly making your bedroom or laundry area look cleaner. Durable side handles make carrying heavy loads comfortable, while the sturdy construction stands up to daily use. Its modern design blends beautifully with almost any decor, proving storage can be both practical and stylish. Pricing starts at around $36, depending on the size you choose. And if you're tired of messy linen closets, you'll appreciate these large bedsheet organizers. These organizers neatly hold complete sheet sets, pillowcases, and blankets in one place, making everything easy to find. Their structured design keeps linens protected from dust while preventing shelves from becoming disorganized. Whether you're organizing a closet or guest room, they save time and keep everything looking tidy with minimal effort. Pricing starts at around $29 for a practical 2-pack set. Now, for anyone short on closet space, check out these space-saving pants hangers. These vertical multi-tier hangers hold multiple pairs of pants in the space of a single hanger, helping maximize every inch of your closet. They also keep clothing wrinkle-free, organized, and easy to access, making busy mornings much simpler. It's an effortless upgrade that creates more storage without adding another closet. Pricing starts at around $18 for a set of 3 hangers. Speaking of making the most of your closet, let's take a look at these expandable closet organizers. Their adjustable design instantly creates extra shelving for folded clothes, shoes, handbags, and accessories. They're easy to fit into different closet sizes and help separate items neatly instead of stacking everything together. With better organization and improved visibility, finding what you need becomes faster while your closet stays neat every day. Pricing starts at around $42 for this customizable storage setup. And keeping the smart storage ideas coming, another great pick is this Underbed storage containers. These slim containers transform unused space beneath your bed into valuable storage for seasonal clothing, bedding, shoes, and other bulky essentials. They help protect belongings from dust while keeping everything neatly tucked away, yet easy to access whenever needed. It's an excellent way to free up closet space without sacrificing valuable room elsewhere. Pricing starts at around $31 for a durable fabric storage container pair. Now let's move on to another everyday essential with this clothes drying rack. This foldable drying solution provides plenty of space for clothes while working perfectly indoors or outdoors. It helps protect delicate fabrics by air drying them naturally and can even reduce energy costs by cutting back on dryer use. Its sturdy frame keeps garments securely supported, and when laundry is done, it folds flat for compact storage. Pricing starts at around $39 for this handy laundry day helper. Moving into the kitchen, you'll definitely want to check out this microwave oven rack. Designed to maximize unused vertical space, this adjustable organizer creates extra room for spices, cookware, dishes, or small appliances above your microwave. Its durable construction keeps everything neatly armed while freeing up valuable countertop space. With frequently used essentials always within easy reach, your kitchen becomes more organized, functional, and efficient for everyday cooking. Pricing starts at around $34 for this kitchen space saver. And now, if convenience is your thing, check out this bamboo toilet paper storage. This elegant organizer neatly stores extra toilet paper rolls while keeping them easily accessible whenever needed. Its natural bamboo finish complements a variety of bathroom styles, adding warmth and a modern decorative touch. Instead of cluttering cabinets or countertops, everything stays neatly organized in one attractive holder that blends function with style beautifully. Pricing starts at around $23 for this bathroom organizer. Keeping the smart organization going, take a look at this lockable medicine cabinet. This secure storage cabinet safely organizes medications, first aid supplies, vitamins, and other health essentials behind a reliable locking door. Multiple shelves help separate items for quick access, while the lock provides added protection by keeping dangerous medicines away from children. It's a simple upgrade that combines organization, convenience, and extra peace of mind. Pricing starts at around $48 for this secure wall storage. While you're watching, remember that every product shown today is linked in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. Next, let's make better use of your walls with these floating wall-mounted shelves. These sleek shelves create additional storage without taking up any floor space, making them perfect for books, plants, framed photos, decorative pieces, or everyday essentials. Their clean, floating design adds a modern touch while helping reduce clutter throughout your home. It's an easy way to combine stylish decor with practical storage in almost any room. Pricing starts at around $26 for a set of 3 beautiful shelves. Now adding a stylish touch to your home storage, you'll definitely want to see this tree bookshelf with LED lights. This eye-catching bookshelf features a unique tree-shaped design that neatly displays books, plants, and decorative pieces while saving valuable floor space. Built-in LED lighting creates a warm, modern atmosphere, making this setup both highly functional and beautifully decorative. It's the perfect way to organize your favorite items while adding lots of personality to any room. Pricing starts at around $69 for this modern statement piece. Another smart storage solution worth checking out is this large storage bins with lids. These stackable bins keep seasonal clothing, toys, and household supplies neatly organized while protecting everything from dust and moisture. The secure lids allow you to stack multiple bins safely, helping maximize storage space in messy closets, deep basements, or garages. It's an incredibly simple solution for keeping your home clean, organized, and completely clutter-free all year long. Pricing starts at around $33 for a durable 3-pack set. Keeping the organization ideas rolling, take a good look at this rolling storage cart with 12 drawers. Featuring multiple spacious drawers, this mobile organizer neatly stores craft supplies, office essentials, tools, and everyday accessories. Smooth rolling wheels let you easily move it wherever it's needed, while the compact design fits comfortably into tight spaces. It's a versatile storage solution that keeps everything perfectly organized, accessible, and ready whenever you need it. Pricing starts at around $54 for this mobile organizer. For making the absolute most of unused wall space, meet this wall-mounted coat rack rail hook. With multiple sturdy hooks, it provides convenient storage for winter coats, jackets, hats, towels, and handbags without taking up valuable floor space. Its sleek, modern design fits beautifully in busy entryways or mudrooms, while keeping frequently used items organized and within easy reach. It's a highly practical upgrade for any busy household. Pricing starts at around $19 for this sleek organizer rail. And if you're looking for hidden storage, you'll definitely appreciate this clever over-the-door organizer. This smart organizer transforms unused door space into extra storage for shoes, toiletries, pantry items, and accessories. Multiple compartments keep everything neatly separated and incredibly easy to find, while freeing up deep cabinets and overcrowded shelves. Installation is quick with no drilling required, making it an effortless way to maximize storage throughout your home. Pricing starts at around $22 for this instant space saver. Continuing with space-saving essentials, let's check out this shoe cabinet for small spaces. This slim cabinet keeps shoes neatly hidden while helping your entryway look clean and clutter-free. Its compact vertical design fits comfortably in narrow hallways, apartments, or smaller homes without taking up much floor space. Multiple compartments organize several pairs of shoes while protecting them from dust and keeping them easy to access. It's a highly stylish, functional storage upgrade for any busy household. Pricing starts at around $89 for this sleek organizer. Another practical organizer you'll find incredibly useful is this 3-pack clear hard-shell zipper case. These durable transparent cases protect electronics, charging cables, travel accessories, and other small essentials, while making everything easy to identify at a single glance. Their hard-shell construction helps prevent damage during travel, and the secure zipper closure keeps contents safely in place. It's an exceptionally easy way to stay organized, whether you're at home or on the go. Pricing starts at around $18 for this durable set. Now, for keeping your treasured memories organized, take a look at this linen photo box organizer with dividers. This elegant storage box features removable dividers that neatly organize photos, greeting cards, keepsakes, and family memories. The beautiful linen-covered exterior gives it a premium look, while the sturdy construction helps protect valuable items from dust and everyday wear. It's a gorgeous combination of high-end organization, protection, and timeless style. Pricing starts at around $27 for this beautiful memory saver. Finally, wrapping up today's list with this portable small lockbox. This compact lockable box provides a secure place to store cash, jewelry, passports, and other valuables at home or while traveling. Its durable construction helps protect your belongings, while the portable size makes it easy to carry or store discreetly out of sight. It's a smart investment for anyone looking to keep essential items safe, organized, and always within reach. Pricing starts at around $34 for this secure lockbox. And that's our roundup of some of the smartest Amazon storage and organization finds that can help you make the most of every inch of your home. Whether you're organizing your closet, upgrading your kitchen, or creating extra storage in small spaces, these products prove that a few simple changes can make a big difference. If you saw something you liked, you'll find links to every product in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with even more clever finds.